Bangtao Beach is the place that everybody wants to buy in right now, and in today's video I'm going to show you round 2 of my personal favorite condominium projects in the Bangtao area by one of the top developers in Phuket who have been building here for more than 20 years. So if you're looking for a foreign freehold condo that you can own 100% in your own name, make sure you stick around for this whole video, because the 2 projects that I'm going to show you today are some of the best on the island right now. If you're a golfer, you're going to love this project. It's located just on the edge of the green. This is Angsana Golf Residence Topaz, and I love the aesthetic of this project. The nice brown finish, this huge communal circular pool in the middle. It's very, very unique. I haven't seen any project like this in Phuket. Now, the units in this project are big units. The 2 beds are 128 square meters. We're going to see the show unit in just a minute. So if you're looking for somewhere that's suitable for long-term living, this is definitely worth considering. They've got some beautiful 3-bed units and some penthouses with private pools on the rooftop, which are absolutely magnificent. So let's go and take a look inside the 2-bedroom show unit, which is just this way. Here we are inside the 2-bedroom show unit, which is an enormous 128 square meters. So that's a big size for a 2-bedroom unit here in Phuket. So in the middle of the unit, we've got the communal area. I absolutely love what they've done with the kitchen. I've never seen a countertop like that. I love the aesthetics, the nice dark wood at the back, and it's such a communal space. You can be preparing the food here, the kids over on the sofa area there. At the back over here, we've got a really nice big marble table, enough room to sit 8 people. And like I said, down at the front here, a really nice communal space with a large TV on the wall. Again, the dark wood used gives it a really, really nice aesthetic. And what I do like about this unit is the size of the balcony. It stretches for the entire length of the unit. So if you follow me outside, if we go this way, we've got direct access from the living area. We've got access from the guest bedroom that way. But if we go down this way, we can actually get access to the master bedroom. But as you can see, more than enough room on this balcony if you want to be spending time outside. And you can see they've actually put a mock-up view on the wall there. Absolutely magnificent view that's never going to change. You know, if you're looking onto the golf course, they're not going to be building condominiums on that anytime soon, right? So follow me into the master bedroom here. Again, it's got a really bright feel to it, hasn't it? I love the use of these textures on the wall here, this sort of maroon color against this cream. Again, it feels so much different to these cookie cutter condos that have just got beige and white on the walls. This really feels like quality. We've got a nice walk-in wardrobe as well. Actually, that's a pretty nice shirt. It's the sort of thing I would wear, actually. And the bathroom itself is very, very well put together. We've got a long bathroom with a standalone bathtub here, and a shower unit as well. So it's definitely got a 5-star hotel feel to it with the his and her sinks. So the master suite is very, very well put together. As we go back through to the main living area here, this sort of joins everything together. As I said, we've got access to the balcony, and the other bedroom is on the other side of the unit. Again, it's a very, very nice space. Beautiful use of textures again on this feature wall at the back. Of course, we've got the ensuite bathroom through there. Plenty of storage space. So this 128 square meter unit starts from just 23 million baht, which I believe is about 700,000 USD. I'll put the amount in USD on the screen right now. So that's the first project, Angsana Golf Residence Topaz. Let's go and have a look at project number 2. Here we are inside the second show unit of the day, which is a slightly smaller 122 square meters, but it still feels very, very spacious. Now, this project, Bellaguna Lotus, is just 300 meters to Bang Tao Beach. So you can get up every morning, take a stroll down to Bang Tao Beach, enjoy all the amenities that Laguna has to offer. So let's take a look around this unit. As you can see, the aesthetic is very, very different to the previous unit, much lighter tones. I really do like it. We've got a nice kitchen along the back wall here with again a very stylish sort of grey marble finish. I love the red finish in the previous one, but this is pretty nice as well. We've got a large dining table, enough room to sit 6 people, and then we move over to the living area, which actually feels a little bit more spacious than the previous living area. We've got this large L-shaped sofa, the TV down here. I love these TVs. They kind of look like a piece of art almost, don't they? You see them quite a lot in the projects in Phuket right now. Now, we also have a magnificent balcony outside. Let's go and take a look at that. So again, the balcony spans the entire length of the unit. So you're going to be spending loads of time outside, particularly if you've got views like that, guys. You know, you're going to be looking over the lake, you're walking distance to the beach, so it's got a real nice tropical feel. Let's go and have a look at the 2 bedrooms, starting with this one over here. So this is the master bedroom, a really nice big space. Again, you've got direct access to that large balcony out the back. We've got plenty of storage space for all of your clothes here, for him and for her. A nice double sliding door, which is very, very cool. I like that aesthetic. And again, we've got a very different feel to the bathroom, but it's still got that 5-star vibe. This beautiful sort of cylinder style standalone bathtub with this big feature wall at the back, his and her sinks there, and of course the shower at the back. So a very, very well put together bathroom. Let's head back through the main living area so I can show you the guest bedroom. Now, the location of this project really is its unique selling point. They've sold a lot of units already. Most of the 1-beds are gone, although there are still a handful left. I believe they start at approximately 13 million baht, but they're big units. They're 75 square meters. So this bedroom again is very, very well put together. Stylish feature wall on the back there. Again, more than enough storage space. If we come round the back here, we've got the bathroom which links with the main living area using a Jack and Jill door. If you follow me this way. So this can be used as the communal bathroom. It can also be used as the ensuite space there. So a very, very stylish, light-toned unit. I absolutely love these units, and prices start from just 23 million baht, walking distance to the beach, and very, very livable. If you're looking for somewhere to live a few months each year, rent it out the rest of the time, this could be something you could seriously consider. So those are 2 of my personal favorite condo projects in Phuket right now. If you're looking for a foreign freehold unit that you can own 100% in your own name, that's suitable for long-term living in the Bang Tao area, there are few better options than buying with the Laguna Group. And you get a whole host of owner benefits. You can get golf club membership, you can get visa access, you get discounts in all of the restaurants in the local area. So it's a really, really great overall lifestyle product. So if you are interested in purchasing a unit with the Laguna Group, or for that matter, any project in Phuket, you can reach me using my links that are on the screen right now. The fastest way to get in touch with me is via WhatsApp. My number's on the screen and in the video description. With that said, thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.